see we on Shiesty activity.
That's a Beamer, bro.
What's going on, guys? We at a car meet right now. Yo, you know what I always wanted to do?
What?
Stick a dildo on somebody's helmet.
Alright.
What?
Just slap that shit on the boy's helmet, boy. Try me doing the POVs, man. Damn, look at that ninja, boy.
Oh, big face.
I thought it was a Hayabusa.
Hayabusa!
What's good, what's good? Get the POVs, man. I have to break something down to you. I have to break something down to you. The Mopars are gonna be the fishes. And the Chevys are gonna be the sharks.
You little fish.
So when all the cars are lined up, y'all could get y'all still recordings. The still
I'm not a
reels.
still guy. Wait, how? Hold on.
The stance.
Is it an IG reel?
That's an IG reel stance right there.
Still recorder.
The stills,
You gotta, like-
Hey, you gotta get some content today, bro.
What do you think I'm doing right now?
Nah.
You gotta get reels for Instagram.
Nah.
Dude posted in
I'll do it at the gas
2023.
station. I'll do it at the gas-
Like last time you posted 2022.
2022, that's bullshit.
Franco
It was
is gonna swing
2024.
at the gas station.
He was
I'll
last time.
swing the gas station.
La-
I'll drift that shit. Fuck it. We're all getting caught up tonight. We all getting arrested tonight.
You gonna see me leave quick as fuck.
I'm gonna do that burnout, yo.
What you got? What you got up your sleeve, man? Little fish.
I'm gonna change your contact to Geo Little Fish.
Geofish.
Geo Fish.
Swim up in that coochie. That boy wearing true religions. True to his religion.
In 2024.
He's true to his religion.
To the fish.
Oh.
Far, you tell me 10 minutes.
Yo,
we're
Jordan,
leaving right now.
go home. You're late. Go home. You're out of the chat. Go home. What are you doing? You're not parking. Get home. Come on.
Oh my god.
You're leaving back up into the
Yo, your breath still smells like coolant from the other day.
Ask that guy.
Coolant breath ass. Woo! That shit was. Whew.
What's up with the rim?
2 more fishes pulled up. Yo. So we going to the Chevron?
Chevron with Techron.
Damn, who got you shiny? Look at that boy. I did his stars, y'all. Yeah, guys, we're getting arrested. We are going to jail. Oh my god. We're supposed to pull up. Chill, man. Everybody is way too loud right now. I don't know what's going on. I don't even know who these people are. We pulling up to the spot. I think we gonna record here. I'm gonna see if we have enough space. Low fuel, perfect for Chevron Techron. I'm gonna fill up some gas. Hey, make sure you remind me before we leave to fill up gas, baby. Ooh, look at the lighting! Ooh, yes! You gotta be a Corvette dude, man.
What's your favorite car?
My favorite car?
A Corvette.
Yeah, I would lose my license.
Oh, wow.
I wouldn't have a license with a Corvette
Why not?
because I got a heavy foot.
That's not even that fast.
The real still recorder. The real still recorder. Shit.
Hold up.
On Who This Spot Not Fire though, I put y'all on, you still guys. You still recorder guys.
This is how we gonna stand in front of our cars. And my camera died.
This man never has battery, bro.
No battery.
He never had battery.
Camera eats
This
battery.
fucking True Religion guy.
True
True Religion guys do
True
that,
religion
bro.
in 2024.
Let me see the live, Frank.
Definition of all gas.
Yo, make sure y'all follow Sensational USA. Don't mind the ugly guy in the background. Oh, watch out, guys. Grandpa trying to get through.
Grandma.
Yo, his arms sore.
Bro,
that long ass tripod.
Yo.
That big ass tripod.
I already
Your
know,
arms are
dog. I'm
sore.
gonna extendo this bitch out the fucking roof, bro. I'm gonna get that Skycopter 1 head ass.
What?
You, bro. Skycopter. What? Skycopter 1. Yo.
What's up with these guys, man? What's up with these guys, man?
Hey, man. Sorry,
fuck?
bro.
What the
Sorry,
fuck?
dog.
Oh
Hey,
my god.
you bent over.
He
You
bent over. Like, why you bend over for the video, bro?
I turned around,
That
bro.
was wild.
Y'all
Yo,
recording.
all
You
I had
got-
to see was
bro,
the True Religion
nah,
logo. You
Nah,
bent
I
over.
don't want to hear it.
That's crazy.
I don't want to
Yo,
hear
man,
it.
hit the
real
real quick.
So we finished getting the little reel. I am sweating bricks. It is hot as hell. What's going on here?
Look at this guy.
Birthday boy?
It's my birthday.
Birthday boy.
Oh my god.
What?
How old do you think this is?
Yo, we're really about to do this for every time.
You are at least 25.
Yeah.
How old? Take a guess.
23.
He's 17, bro.
The fuck?
Go home,
This
bro.
guy hit puberty at fucking 11 years old.
Bro, this man's gonna fucking steal every bitch from him.
Bro, he's really got to be on the show.
This is how we are today. You see we on Shiesty activity.
Let me stand on it, bro.
Oh no, your grits.
Nigga, I stood on my hood, bro, and I have the marks still, bro.
You stood on your hood for what? A thumbnail?
For a picture, bro, just a regular ass.
Yo, I look ugly as hell with a Shiesty, bro. I'm not wearing these things. Man, dog this shit.
Loudest scat in SoFlo.
Did you hear this guy? Yes, sir. Big boy. Oh my god. He has a quiet plate on.
This is what you call
Hey,
lowest
hey, you
scat
think
in-
he's doing shiesty activities when when a cop pulls up?
Look, bro.
Yeah.
Look,
Striker.
That's what this is.
Yeah.
Don't talk about that.
Oh,
You got the gloves on.
You can't show his numbers after you pull it off, bro. That's federal.
I own this shit. This is my son right here.
Zade, like, man, compared to Cali, this ain't fucking shit.
I didn't
This
say
is
that.
nothing.
I didn't say that. Put it on.
We're not active. We're not active like Cali. I already know it. It's
I
okay.
didn't say nothing.
It's okay, cause I know it's.
The stunt driver, Zaldi is really
Yo, who invited this guy? Huh?
That's your cousin, bro.
After and guy who is 40 saying, oh, you know, it's probably will never warm up.
What?
No, can you do a dance?
Yeah, okay,
Oh, alright.
Alright.
yeah, so, no,
Nah, you better hit the dance with him.
let me just, I have 5 cars that have 15 keys on me, so I need to hide them.
Oh shit!
Yeah, always, you know, it's like it's
All the
called,
strikers, bro. Yo, give him the shiesty, nigga. You don't even deserve that
okay, this,
That's a Beamer, bro. You got a
no,
Beamer.
it's Lexus LS,
Oh, Lexus.
Nice, man, nice.
yeah, see, yeah.
Let's get a nice little startup. Catch them boys lacking. Oh shit! What the hell going on here? What the hell? Bro!
Yo!
What the fuck is going on?
You tell me! I'm just trying to go home!
Oh my god. We're getting arrested today.
Where's your cameraman?
I'm by myself today. I'm on a solo mission.
Oh, you're on a solo date?
Yeah. I'm lonely. After all the ruckus. So this is the spot we came to.
That boy said something is leaking. That boy's AC is on.
Like I said,
dickhead.
hey, we go big or go home, and I went big.
You went big.
You went
Yo,
big.
You went through here, bro.
Oh,
Look,
oh,
bro.
you're a dick.
Bro.
You're a fucking dick. He's a fucking dick. Bro, so he came through here and drove straight through here.
That's
To
crazy.
scrape this shit up. Oh yeah. Get them angles, man. Yeah. Real still recorder. Yeah.